Hi guys, welcome back to Jason Tori. Going to katuna kalawam na jawa tun nai thil theng enge Assam le Mizoram boy na chungchang hi run re ek very re ka dua ka ngai dante ke ma mi malmo bi ka ron soi ka dua. Today we're gonna talk about the fighting between Assam and Mizoram. Anytime there was a fight back in like few months ago between Assam and Mizo in regards of our land. I don't know why the Assam always blame Mizoram, because we are a Christian, 100% Christian state. We will never shoot people first of all. Hashtag Assam shoot first. Di kamo karon soy doa chuanin heta hian ka resource strong ke maina heta changa iwe heta iwe sa chang kan lo hu da ka lo hu ve dan te karon soy do na ka soy jong theng ka thai khura ka thin hi lo rim ve ta ni chumo. I am a little bit pissed off knowing all this news and never stop. So Christian kan nia kai ni chuanin kan va kap ma sa don lo ti kha sha sa nia ba ka tiang thil khen re hian vai ho hian Assam bi vai ho khan mi hian mo pu thini chumo. It's our land, we will fight for our land, and Mizo people, we are the person who fight for our rights. So you guys need to know if you watch anything, and I think in this situation all the Northeast people need to stick together. I know that there are many people who has issue with Assam too. I'm gonna read who comments on my YouTube about my post, so you guys will have a clue. You can see the display here too. So there was a person who comments, and I really love these comments. Hemi comments si karon share don ni mi pakhat notice mi thayo na ron so yun. It's sadly to say the union minister came in our northeast state because we are still faced the same situation in our own land. I am really disappointed about the same government, the Assam government. Why so greedy? The land that should not belong to the Assam state also seems sister in our Meghalaya land. Also, Assam government tried to steal many areas that belongs from Meghalaya land. So kindly request to every one of us who stay in different state of northeast near the border of Assam state should be united and help each other state. Hepa hian aron so strong ani chu. Ani po Nagaland Nagaland kati Meghalaya mo Shillong o mani chu ang border ve thon chu Assam nen problem an nei ve thau ni chu wangin aron soidu tak chu northeast zong hi Nagaland te Manipur te Arunachal te mo tiang zong Mizoram te united in kan omila kan ma ni rights le kan ram hi kan lak le an lo du ve thau ni chu ke ni chau kha kan lo ni lawa mo chuanin heta hianin accident incident thil thleng hi kan enanga enge thil thleng te shat katumang anwa beina samot mol ve oh my god, oh my god, alom don ko me, it's really scary. I can't believe that this is really happening. Sometimes it's remind me of like Christ coming soon. But yan iswa local lehun hi van night to em he kan ramte ke ni Mizoram peaceful look tok mo akan ngai po hi tiang thing chu ru na tak zat ni Mizoram zong te ha ka tor pul tok chawa in thinrim dan tur po ka sha han fe chwa va ka ve boy tu in chak tam tak point ti ka sha sha thiam lut tok chaw nya ka thin lung takin I video hi ron siam ka tum mel ma se ka ril ro khan vu ina khan athok na salu to ka siam nge ka do you know. Kan mi zau mi pa te in chuan lut tok tiang thil khen pe han in chuan ngoi ni ti hi ka she zwal ka she thar le mol ani chuanin kan lo en zelang khuvel hi van boy to em Assam vai ho hi chon man swal ve ta if it's not your land, why do you want to have back? I don't really understand you guys. So Assam, go back of Assam. Hashtag Assam, go back. I proudly say that that's not belongs to you, and it belongs to us. I really feel for Mizoram people because we have such a small state, and you guys have a lot of state. I don't know why you want to fight with us just for a small state, and I am sure that you guys would do shoot first, because last time I think last year back you guys did the same. Like, you guys said we burn your house, and like you always give a false news. That was not the right thing to spread around, you know. Be honest. Anh mặc cái tí cho em hay đôi thì em khỏa thì em bốc xe mô the vai sau khi bói thác tất toàn chú anh là thủ tế sấy rột rất này hệ vai ba hiền in sấy rột rất sụt xe miếng chỉ lông râu cú xe con nuôi tế hình tí rô rô anh pakar về sim cái tia cho nên hay là hàng cái lâu thì lăng i kami i kara i lâu couple small nupa kal tepo anh lâu thì quay thế cái xia anh khoi thao cái tia lom tour xia cái xia thiam pui lu to ka tuar pui lu to ka I'm surprised that some people are like attacking a couple who just travel. They're not even a part of it, like, you know. So it's crazy right now, the situation. I get it, but can you guys back off, because that's not your land. It's so embarrassing. I'm surprised, you know, like me watching that you're fighting for things which is not belongs to you. So please back off, Assam. So I'm proudly saying I am Indian, I am from Mizoram. I really feel for my Mizo people, and no matter what, I'm gonna stand for them. Mizoram tan kanti zelang o cho anin adang hi kan enle nga kadu ka thinrim thar ta tlak tani chu e ha thinrim la pui tur po Assam or Mizoram vai hau hian an du tu hin soi bok thin hi ka thinrim ni chu du hi lo sei ve lo se dik fe kan soi fe top doctor from here hiam pa chok en vai kap na so ve we kami zo mi pa de ki phe khopum te han bun lam vok pop popula. I'm deeply pain in front that six brave. They're just commenting like comments hi lo share ve ro he lai pa comments te in here chham sia. Assam has sacrificed their life. Yeah, they have to sacrifice because they're doing the wrong thing. It's not a sacrifice, to be honest. Sacrifice a poco mai lo dani to kay ma chuanin. It's totally bullshit. Pagtakin, it's a bullshit for me to even watch about this one. It's bullshit, and people are just faking, you know. And I think the government should talk about each other, like, I mean, Assam government and our government also. This is crazy. Oh my god, it's so violent. Tiang em cho ani thei lo re do tham in pu reng ta chuanin in lo social media te khanin mitam takin an lo soya an ka tor pui lo tu cha ka lo hua ka lo she lo kha poi ka tilo tuk zo ka lo she har lo tuk kha in lo. I really feel bad for my Mizo people. It's no matter what, I'm gonna stand for them. And we need to stand for our rights. No matter what people try to take our land, we're gonna stand for our land and we're gonna protect our land. So I want anybody watching right now, I want you to know we're gonna take our land. No one can have our land. Okay? Kan ramanya kan neyang kan chang kan thi thling pon kan changang kan la let turani an se kan ramanya kan nei let le kan fight kha kan ti turnia chuan do da ham phwa kwal vel da thinrim thak tu abiki mizo thalai te mi pa kan ti bik teng in thinrim em ti ka sha ma se enge pathian ko ta tawngtai te po kan ngai in ka sha pathian in ro rel don ni mo kan envel hang ka thin hi lo rim lo tu hi mo hei ka lo sa up pani chu han soi vak ngi na hei ka shelawa an phakar zia siltar vai phakar zia hi chu ka she chiang lo tu ka mo chu wangin ka tor pui lo tuk chawa thin lung takin kan tawngtai na po ka interest kalau sia ang chuanin kampa te chung te zong zong pon an tor pui zia che min lo soi sakron tia vo in chuman thochana ni wang hian am buai do hleka I an chaw ve bok sian na thok ten ron lang theilawa min tor an tor pui tak satani chawani ti kha lo sia ula chuanin I en lo helaya min social media an post fel ke en hianin ka hnuk te hi ul dawa chun chu hey Peter mo atia biru fel lai an inkap tu fel lai ui den hi ka tilo to kai shem arap thak ve ta ila ui ha thi thleng pon swal ka du hia lang tiang khop chang kalau thinrim ve te ma chanin hi helai han kalau tilang hanga inge tuna Assam-Mizoram ribuaina media lama imo Assamese hawini lo tak ron post vel hi nunuina asteda samante tiang ho vel hi karon ta vek ko nga in lo en vek nga chanin in lo sap chong karon chong kher na chan ka chu ham dang biking kan notice ko te min chan tak tak an oma kha haw tang hang karon soitel bok shima a chan chu we are not the only person who want their land, okay? There are many people, notice people, Nagaland, Meghalaya, they all want their land, but these Assam people always want to fight. They never want a peace, and I don't get it. As per my opinion, I don't get it. Why do you want to make a war if someone want to make a peaceful, right? I suspect that maybe because they have a lot of people come from different place and illegally staying there and they don't have enough space, or they just want to fight because they don't want a peace. And sometimes I think maybe because Jesus is coming soon and he talk about all these things before he come, a sign of like fighting, you know, state to state, country to country. Like as you know, in Myanmar so many people has issue and suffer because of they want their rights back. So I think, you know, we're gonna stand for no matter what. And I ask each and person who is watching me right now, if you are from northeast part, please support Mizoram. I really beg you guys, because it may be happen for your state too one day, because you all border for border of Assam, so they're gonna do the same to you. So I think we need to start staying united and stick together as a team. So I think they need to stay back. They need to step back. Okay, Assam, #Assam, go back to your land. Don't try to come to our land. Okay, you may think I'm smiling right now. I'm laughing at you guys because you guys are ridiculous, trying to spread whatever false news to make Mizoram look bad. But God knows who is lying and what is the truth, because we Mizo people are Christian. We will never lie about anything, because if you don't shoot, why will we shoot you? Because we're Christian, we don't want to kill people. But the problem is, if you do the same thing, it's hard because we need our protection. So please, anybody out watching here, stand for Mizoram. I love you guys so much. Mizo puite zong kha kamangay vek chawa he video hi lo en chuan I lo hlut pui nge ka ringa ka tor pui tak zat chawani ka ti thei ve zong chu video lo siama ai Assam te hianin do tam tak an the dar thina ni ti hi keima mit nge in ni kuma te po khan ka she to ni chu kam buaina te khan mo chu wangin ka tran em chawani ti kha lo sia ula ka tawngtai na ka lo hreng don chawnia. Oh bye bye vek ule.